I've paid over $2 million in affiliate commissions recently, and in this video, I'm breaking down the top 3 surprising strategies that affiliates are using to generate real buyers right now. I'm Jimmy Riley, and I've driven 8 figures in digital product sales through affiliates, which gives me an inside look on what actually works versus what's just hype. Let's start with the one that shocked me the most because while everyone's talking about it, almost nobody's getting it right. You see, one of our affiliates came out of nowhere, suddenly sending 3,000 to 4,000 clicks and pulling in over $10,000 in commissions every single month. When I dug into it, I found he was running a basic, faceless YouTube channel with just 8,000 subscribers, and most of his videos were barely hitting 1,000 views. Now, a lot of top affiliates are using YouTube right now, but this one stood out because of how he's squeezing big sales from such a small audience. Each week, he finds new product launches similar to ours, posts a short 4 to 5 minute review, and at the end, recommends our product as a way to get even faster results when combined with the one he's reviewing. He sends viewers through his affiliate link and racks up commissions. This works incredibly well for 2 key reasons. First, it's insanely targeted. Every viewer is either already buying or seriously considering a product similar to ours, so he's not wasting a single click. Second, his timing is perfect. People are watching his video right at the moment they're deciding whether to buy, which makes his recommendation feel natural and incredibly persuasive. Let's talk quick pros and cons on this method. On the pro side, this is easily the highest converting affiliate strategy that I've seen. Affiliates are recording simple, 5-minute videos, sending just a few hundred clicks, and earning thousands in commissions. It's also evergreen. Videos keep working long after they're posted. One affiliate told me most of his traffic and sales still come from content he uploaded back in 2023. And for beginners, the biggest win is that it's 100% pure profit because there's 0 ad spend. Now for the downsides. The biggest one is time. You've got to create content and build a channel, and it's harder to scale. With paid traffic, you can just pump in more budget. But with YouTube, your growth comes from occasionally posting videos and letting the momentum build over time. Strategy number 2 really caught me off guard. A few months ago, I reached out to all of our top affiliates to ask where they're getting their best paid traffic. And the answer? It wasn't Meta ads, it wasn't Google ads. Those networks have become very unfriendly to affiliates in recent years. Instead, they're running ads inside popular email newsletters, getting super targeted, high-intent clicks for way less than you'd pay with big ad networks. And they're using little-known ad platforms to make this dead simple. The first is Beehive. Beehive is mainly a newsletter platform used by thousands of creators. However, they also have an ad network where you can pay to reach niche audiences directly. The next ad network is Paved.com. This is probably the biggest marketplace for newsletter ads across every niche imaginable. Kit.com is similar to Beehive as their primary business is email marketing software. However, they also have an ad network for niche newsletter customers. Another notable mention is Lettergrowth.com. Lettergrowth is more of a matchmaking site to connect with newsletter owners directly. And finally, Udemy.com. Udemy is a solo ad marketplace where you pay per click to get your link blasted out to targeted email lists. I've personally spent tens of thousands in this market to build my own lists, and one of my top affiliates has earned over $85,000 in commissions just from solo ads in the past year. Now, the biggest pro for newsletter advertising is instant traffic. You pick your audience, write your ad, and you're getting clicks. No algorithms to deal with, no risk of being banned for promoting affiliate products, and no waiting for traffic. You can literally promote any offer in any niche. It's also highly scalable. Some affiliates I know are doing 7 figures with 80% of their traffic coming from newsletter ads. The downside? Well, it's paid traffic, so you're spending for every click, and it takes testing to find the right newsletters and angles. But once you do, you can scale as far as your budget allows. And that brings us to the 3rd major traffic source my top affiliates are using, and honestly, it should be number 1. Every single one of my top affiliates use this, whether they're crushing it on YouTube or scaling with paid ads. It's building your own email list. Listen, if you check the leaderboards of almost any product launch in any niche, 8 out of the top 10 spots are usually taken by other product creators. Why? Because they've got a strong customer email list that they can promote at any time they want. Whether you're selling your own products, running a faceless YouTube channel, or buying traffic, The real game changer is capturing email leads before sending people to an affiliate offer. Now, the biggest pro here is that your list becomes a long-term asset. Some of our lists still generate clicks and sales from subscribers we added back in 2015. Plus, it gives you multiple chances to convert each person. If they don't buy from your first pitch, you can hit them with other offers later that might land better. One click today can turn into 5 or 10 clicks over time just by following up with new affiliate promotions. That's 5 times the revenue from the same traffic. The downside? Well, you've got to build a real funnel. Landing pages, bonuses, and solid email sequences that actually convert. But once it's in place, it becomes one of the most powerful tools in your affiliate arsenal. Now, this gets way easier when you follow a proven template, which is why I built a complete lead capture and marketing funnel that I give to all of my top affiliates. It's designed to pull in traffic using simple YouTube script templates, collect leads with a high converting landing page, and close sales with our best performing email sequence. You can grab it for free using the link in the description. It'll help you start building your list, getting traffic, and generating affiliate sales fast. Once you've got that funnel in place, use newsletter ads to grow your list quickly and faceless YouTube review videos to drive high quality organic traffic that compounds over time. It's a fast, proven system for building affiliate income from scratch. Now, if I went too fast at any point, feel free to rewind and catch all of the tools and recommendations. And in the next video, I'll show you how I used AI to create and sell over $10 million worth of digital products. So hit subscribe so you don't miss it.